Cajun chicken pasta with andouille sausage. Yes, yes, and yes. Guys, this is amazing. So delicious and so easy to make. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So you want to begin by getting a pot of water to a boil. Go ahead and drop a little salt in there. And we're going to be cooking about 8 ounces of penne pasta. You want to go ahead and cook them according to the instructions on the box. So they're about al dente. Once they're done, drain them off, set them to the side as we move on to the next step. We're gonna be chopping up these bell peppers. I'm gonna be using about half of this red one and half of this yellow one. Go ahead and slice them up just like so. We are also gonna slice up a small onion. Go ahead and get all that prep work out the way and set it to the side so we can move on to our andouille sausage and our amazing, well seasoned up chicken breast. And guys, this is another one that I cannot wait for you guys to try out because it is amazing. I'm trying to really let you know, guys, the andouille sausage, the Cajun chicken, everything that we have going on with this, it all comes together to create a beautiful medley of amazing flavors. So these are the andouille sausages that we are going to be using for this recipe. I'm just gonna take out about 2 of them and slice them up just like so. Once that's all said and done and we have all this chopped up, we are gonna butterfly up our chicken breast in a second here. So we went ahead and put our andouille sausage to the side. We are going to move on to this beautiful chicken breast. We are going to go ahead and butterfly it, then slice it and cube it up into some nice sized pieces. So once your chicken is all chopped up, go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys. And on the screen, you'll see what we will be using to season up our chicken to perfection. This is like a little bit of a all-purpose Cajun seasoning. That's what we'll be rocking with. We are gonna be very generous, very heavy-handed with the seasoning, okay? Go ahead and season up your chicken proper just like so. And we are gonna sear these bad boys up in a second. All right, so I have a little bit of oil already in the pan and we are gonna drop in that well seasoned up chicken and let it get the sizzling, okay? Guys, it smells so good already. I'm trying to let you know. Go ahead and keep it going until your chicken are fully cooked. Once they're fully cooked, we are gonna remove them from the pan and move on to the next step. So our chicken is out of the pan. We're gonna drop in a little bit more oil, and we are going to now drop in that andouille sausage. I'm gonna get that going, get that sizzling, you know what I mean. After that, we are gonna drop in about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, as well as 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You're gonna let that go as well. Get it sizzling, get the flavors talking to one another, get them communicating, okay? Once that's said and done and they talking a little bit, we got to introduce the rest of the party. We're gonna get the bell peppers in there, we're gonna get that onion in there, and you're gonna just let everything cook together, know what I mean? And you know, just get the party going, if you know what I'm talking about. So now that we have our bell peppers as well as our onions in there, we're gonna let that go until the onions start to look nice and translucent. Once we get there, we're gonna drop in our heavy cream. We're gonna be using about 1 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Get that in there, get everything all mixed up, man. It is looking amazing already. And you do want to season it up with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, you know what I mean. You gotta have that heavy cream seasoned up correctly, you know what I mean. Ain't nothing bland over her, you know the motto, guys. So we are gonna toss in that cooked penne pasta, get that in the pan, mix it up a little bit. We are also gonna reintroduce that yummy seasoned up chicken to this as well. And we cannot forget the grated Parmesan cheese, guys. You gotta get that in there as well. Man, oh man, oh man. I'm trying to tell you guys, this is such a yummy, 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 yummy dish. Okay, I'm trying to inform you guys, this is so good, especially that andouille sausage. It just gives it that extra oomph. Okay, I love me some andouille sausage, guys. It is so tasty, yo. I'm trying to let you know, guys. Go ahead and mix everything together, okay? As you see on the screen, all these flavors are communicating with one another, guys. This is so good, guys. All right, this is about done, guys. So we are gonna plate up, get you a nice, beautiful bowl. Get you a nice, beautiful bowl. Don't get no little bowl. It gotta be a big, old, beautiful bowl, just like this one. And go ahead and drop that pasta in. Look at that cheese pool. Look at all the beautiful colors we got going on, guys. Once you have it all in a bowl, go ahead and, you know, sprinkle a little bit of parsley on the top. Sprinkle a little bit more of that Parmesan cheese. And it's a wrap. It's done. Finito. Done, guys. You have yourself a hit. You have yourself a banger in the kitchen, guys. Yo, family gonna hit you with that double take, like who? Like, this is so good, okay? Cannot wait for you guys to try this. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. I will see you on the next video. Deuces.